Okay, this is the WEN 625i inverter generator. Just got it assembled. Basically, you just put the wheels on, put these feet on, put the handle on here, and put gas in it or oil. Yeah, I will do that next for break-in, but I wanted to give you guys a look at what it looks like when you get it out of the box and get it assembled for the first time. When you're putting the feet on, these M6 are 5/16 inch here, and then the bolts that you put on the handle, those are also 5/16 of an inch. And then on the front of the wheel here, this is a 1/2 inch, and then on the back it was metric. The back of the axle, that nut right there is a 17 millimeter. So 17 millimeter on the back side. That's the thicker side goes through here, and then this side was half. So that's basically all there is to the assembly. So some of the other things that the WEN 625i comes with this tool packet. Not sure what's in there. Comes with this funnel. It also comes with altitude and high altitude carburetor kits. I don't know where I put those, but those also come in the box. Alright, so I got the generator going. I put about 10 milliliters of liquid moly engine lubricant stuff. Moved that around, added oil. Not quite a liter or a quart of oil. Put some gas in it, and took a few pulls, but it started. This is currently running on eco mode, and it was running about 70 decibels this close. It's in the 50s, like 55, 56, when it's on eco mode from about 25 feet away. I'll turn off eco mode here in a second. So that's with eco mode off. It makes a little difference in the noise. But I'm just breaking it in right now, so I want to keep it at the lowest RPM possible. And take it to the additive I used. Where is that stuff? Here it is. So liquid moly anti-friction engine treatment is what I put in there to pre kind of lube stuff before I started it up. Like I said, I didn't put very much in, maybe 10 mLs at the most.